Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In this video, I'm going to create one of the charting dashboard for Camarilla R4 breakout stocks. So we already using our Google Sheet to find out R4 level breakouts in directly option itself. So we are facing a data issue with our Google Sheet. So maybe it will recover soon. And before that I think almost last 10 days it is not updating. So I come with a new dashboard in charting. By using the dashboard we are going to filter out the stocks by the equity price, not by the options price. In our Google Sheet, it is directly picking the price of that particular strike price and the R4 values. But here we need to find a stock which given in the breakout, and we find out the R4 value. So for an example today, ONGC, which given you the breakout. So our logic based on that charting scanners also, the stock should not given the breakout on the first 15 minutes candle. Okay, it must be not broken the R4 level. Here is the R4 level is 327.05, and it was given you the breakout somewhere around 12 o'clock, nearby 12 o'clock, and after that that gives you the good moment. Maybe we can keep R3 as a stop loss. That's a logic which we are used even our option trades. And here it is an equity based. We are going to find out stocks which given you the breakout after 9:30. Same like that, this is the dashboards where you can find out, and I will share you this dashboard. And yesterday, that is last video, we have created regarding that inside CPR inside with Camarilla R1 and S1 levels. So that is also giving you such a good result on intraday basis. And that scanner also going to share on our premium group. So those who are my premium group members, so you will be getting access free these two scanners. And those who are using my Google Sheet, uh, you can also request for that. I personally share this dashboard if you are using for an intraday. So here on the left side, so I will be modifying the names and other things as of now. So I created. So here only after 9:30 you can just look at the stocks, and here the zero is um, the R4 level crossover. So here 0.02 the percentage here in this percentage column what we have mentioned, how many points how many percentage the stock has increased after crossing the R4 level, and it should cross only after 9:30. If it is the stock crosses above 9:30, the stock would be not shown on this list. Only the top stocks you can just focus. It is sorted by the top percentage. From this list you can easily find out which is going to give you the breakout. So maybe 9:30 to 9:45, 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So if you're watching and you may be finding out here, if the stock breaks below the S4 level in a equity chart, how much percentage is moves down from that entry point. So that you should just look at the chart. Maybe after that it may increase or decrease, but whenever it crosses that level, you need to confirm whether it is crossing. So for an example, IDFC First Bank, as of now the current closing, the S4 value is 74.57. So let me check, it is greater than the R4 level as of now. Let me check the chart IDFC First Bank. So I'll show you, and it may be triggered or may not be. Okay, so here in this case the R4 level is 74.57, and exact the R4 level also we are getting here, and the current price is showing you 74.66 where it is possible. Yeah, at 74.67, sorry, 74.7, maybe it is a settlement price of the last traded price, and it may be equity closing price. Okay, LTP. And how much percentage it is gap between our entry point? It is near about 0.1%. So maybe it is going to trigger. And any stock which is negative values in a put side, that means S4 levels, it is already crossed. For an example, Voltas after crossing our the level of S4, it is moving down almost 0.7% lower from that S4 level. So it means it is already crossed the level and it is nearby 1%. It moves down. So let me check Voltas how it works. So Voltas, yeah, here is an R4 level, and it given you the breakout around 10:15. After that it slightly increased and R3 level, and then it came down and it is reaching to 1460. From that point, the R4 level, it is almost 0.7% lower. In same way, in a call side, like Indo Petro, Tata Motor, IOC, are those stocks which is almost 3.5%, more than 3% in call side after breaking the level, and also it does never break the levels in the first 15 minutes. That's a very important thing. So Tata Motors, that would be a great one. The second candle itself will trigger that a breakout point. So here it is giving you the breakout of 1049.20, the value 1049.20. We mentioned the R4 values also be there, and you can easily identify whether R4 value, what is the exact R4 value. And into Petro 360, and now it is trading 373. All the stocks which is not broken the level. Okay, in Petro. This was happening on almost a 10:30 candle. Okay, but after the breakout and it was keep on moving higher. So if you are tracking on a real time, so you will be easily finding at 9:30 one or two opportunities for your intraday, and mainly which we are using this one on our intraday purpose. Okay, the R4 breakout. And a downside also we mentioned, and upside. This is what an S4 breakout and this is what an R4 breakout. If the stock breaking that particular levels, it would be having a good opportunity to make some intraday trades. But previously on our Google sheet, we are using directly the option premium. So that is option prices. So how do I can try for a strike price? So maybe opening price as a strike price or closing price as the strike price, and maybe it is opening by 348 49.2. So maybe 350 call option on Indo Petro would be the strike price for both the side. Here options. Indo Petro 350 call option. Okay, so this is what a chart, and that is loading the pivot, and R4 level is 8 rupees, and maybe the pivot is 6.65, or even the lower level is 2.6. Maybe we are looking for a pivot, and today is an expiry, so we are not going to look for that. But even though it was giving the 8 rupees breakout and it went up to 24, so exactly. So we in our Google sheet we are planning with the exact R4 level and along with the strike price. But here in this Google sheet, sorry, in this charting scanners, we should find out the right opportunities in a stocks, and then we to select a strike price, then we can go for an opportunity. Maybe this will help you to find out R4 level until our Google sheet is ready for an intraday update. And maybe monthly you will be getting the update for monthly stocks that will be working. And intraday you should use this. If you are using my sheet and if you want to focus for an intraday, this will be helping you to find out the stocks, and you can share, you can ping me on my WhatsApp, the shown on this number in the video, so you can get this link also, and this direct link would be shared on our premium telegram group. So that premium telegram group, so where you can access all my premium scanners which I have created earlier, so like CPR, Camarilla, ADR, and also oscillator, and also a lot of technical scanners which you have created. That is not shared on YouTube or somewhere else. It is only shared by the Telegram group. So if you wish to access our premium scanners, so you can also just ping me on the number. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting us. Thank you.